Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So guys, this is officially website, so you have to first this website. After that, right hand side, this is search icon, and then enter your graphic card model number, GeForce RTX 5070 AERO 12G. Then click on the product, and this is your graphic card. Just click on it, and then click on support. And then download the Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. You can see there are two driver, so download latest one, which is this is latest, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Okay, it will take some time, 10 to 15 minutes, and depend on your internet. If you are using good internet, it will download quickly. And it is downloaded, and then click on three dot. After that, click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file saved to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.